So this is 2.6 string methods, and we're talking about substrings. And substrings means that we can pull or at least sort of see where different letters are in our string. And when I mean string again is kind of a grouping of our characters. So if we take a look, and I'm going to go through this, some of the new concepts is using this code called substring. And it lets us pick up pieces of a grouping of characters, or what we would probably call sentences, or a group of words. So in the sample, we have to declare a string. And in this example that I have out, I have string, and the string is called my pet. And I created just a grouping of words called Sparky the dog. And then I created another substring, or sorry, not substring, but another string called small part. And I want to just pull out pieces of my pet or Sparky the dog. I just want to pull out some lettering. So here we declare another variable called string. I'm going to call it small part. And then this is where I'm just pulling out some of the letters. And with substrings, I'm saying I'm going to start at position 4 and do everything after that. So in this example, I'm going to run. First, let me get rid of this. This is the first example that I have in the notes. If I run this, whoops. Sorry about that. If I run this, and let me get rid of some of this other stuff too, because we don't need to work on that yet. But if I ran this, it would print out KY space the dog. So what it's saying is, Sparky the dog, I'm going to start at position 4 and only print out the small part from position 4 on. So if you look at our notes, Sparky the dog, this blanks are considered spaces as well. So Sparky, or S, starts at 0, position 0. P is 1, A is 2, R is 3, K is 4, Y is 5. 6 is the space, 7 is T, H is 8, E is 9, space is 10, D is 11, O is 12, G is 13. So K starts at position 4, and by saying this, it's just working its way through. But there's more. If we want to just do small parts, meaning we want to start at position 4 and stop at position 12, we can do that. Okay, so again, we can then do, let's try this again, and do a string and do a small part 2, and this was in the example. I'm going to call upon the string, which is my pet, do a substring. And now I want to say I want to start at position 4 and only print out from position 12. So let's only print out small part 2. So I'm only printing out this part. It will now do KY space, the space, and the letter D. Now you're probably wondering, wait a minute, that's not the 12th location. When we do the 12th location, it actually pulls back 1. So it goes out to the 12th location and then pulls back 1 notch, which means the letter D. So try these things out. You can delete everything and go back. It's completely up to you. Anyways, in the assignment, they want you to go back, so let me undo. I'm actually going to have these, commented out. You can uncomment them when you're ready to go. So anyways, that way you can run this. So if you ran this when you first start, it should work. Now, in the assignment though, they want you to, on line 13, write and print a statement with a substring of str, so that's the string name, starting at index 5 and going to the end. So here, you're going to create the string, and I just commented it out, so you would uncomment those, delete those, and then delete these comments, so that way we can actually use them. Okay. So here they want us to, it's already declared, we have string called str, and it's laptops out of Harambe. And they want you to print from index 5 on. Then on line 14, they want you to also write a print statement that prints out a substring starting at index 7 and ending at index 10. And then on line 17, they want you to fill in this information and say, how would we print out? So it only prints Harabi, and it only prints out TF. Okay. So try those out. If you have any questions, let me know, and good luck.